what we're going to do this evening is to give you something where different, you know what I mean, because I'm always doing salad and what you call it, healthy teas and healthy recipes, but this evening I want to give you a pepper mackerel salad. So yeah, hope you guys will enjoy it. And you know, enjoy the recipe, because you know already we have to do something totally different every time we are in the kitchen to give you something and an amazing, yeah. And it is super healthy and delicious. Yeah. All right. Let's get the cooker on. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's talk about it now. So we got 2 pieces of mackerel. Do you know you can buy these in the supermarket? Yeah, here it is. You can buy them in the supermarket. They are smoked mackerel. All right. Earlier, I removed the skin off the back. I don't like the skin, so I removed the skin. I'm going to be doing these 2 pieces. Very smoky, but very nice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil right here. All right. You don't have to, trust me. And I got some peppers. I'm going to put these peppers. These are mixed peppers right here. Okay. Lovely. Now, as I said, you don't have to. You can use salmon, and you can use codfish, whatever kind of fish. I used tuna yesterday and made this beautiful salad. The video will be releasing very soon. It is summer, and a lot of people know in summer I don't even have no feelings to cook, like, you know what I mean, certain kind of food. I'm keen on some salad with some fish and bits and pieces as it goes on into the summer. So mackerel is something where you can get into your local shop or your supermarket. A good vibes, people. So prepare in this summer for some healthy recipes and ideas and tips. All right, where we're going to show you guys what you can make at home. Craig, big up yourself, and Jen, thank you so much for, you know what I mean, being a part on this journey with Chef Ricardo. You know, we keep pushing it without giving up. We keep in the faith. Yeah. All right. Beautiful one. Excellent. So as you can see, and also I have some spring onion. Just gonna put some spring onion over it. So a lot of people don't like mackerel, but nothing much with it. Little bit of pepper on this. So these are very quick and simple meal to do at home. looking good, guys. Lovely. So that looking good. All right. Simple. Now this can turn off and turn off. All right. Wow. Look at that. Okay. So, all right, that's looking good. Anyway, remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. All right, it's available on Amazon, 50% off until September. All right, let's share up this, guys. All right, let's share up this fantastic and an amazing meal. All right, lovely, beautiful people. So you can see it for yourself. Something totally different. All right. Oh yeah. Now, all right, that's okay. You can put some onion on it, but I just didn't this time. All right, and we have some mixed leaf right here. All right. We got some beetroot. got some olive with some feta cheese. You don't have to, just because I saw it, I just brought it because, you know, it's something different for the audience. These are some watercress. You can put on top of it. All right. People, today's takeaway. Saturday. A lot of people do takeaway on Saturday. Olive. All right. Here's some more of the watercress. A little bit more of this beautiful salad right here. It's fine. Let's use up the salad. All right. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people will be doing takeaway today. But a lot of people are thinking that, you know, we could eat a nice little salad. It have to be expensive. Very simple and cheap. And look at that. Simple. And you can add anything you want on it. All right. You can put your dressing. You can mix up a vinegar and lemon and pepper dressing. But I'm not keen on the dressing at the moment. All right. So what I normally do, I use good olive oil, all right, and I sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it, and I'm good to go, guys. So next time I'm going to be doing a little dressing to show you what kind of dressing you can use on your salad. You can squeeze out some lemon juice on it, all right. My advice for a lot of people in this kind of weather: eat something healthy, all right. So enjoy the recipe, leave your comments, and tell me exactly what would you like me to make for you. Good vibes. So, yeah, as you can see for yourself, something different.